Hi there. Welcome to Craft with Kathie. I'm just taking a moment to share this live with my VIP group. If you'd like to have access to more creative ideas, the occasional game, inside information, etc., comment VIP below and I will send you the link to my free Facebook crafting group. Okay, fun project tonight. I'm going to be doing some things for tiered trays, so I've got my little, some of my surfaces out here, but that's for another day. Tonight I am going to be embellishing these beaded stars that I chalked the other day. And I was running around looking for what am I going to open up my gilding wax with. A tablespoon worked just fine. So let me take what I've chalked the insides out of these little frames. Actually, they have like the little picture turner things on them, the little, I don't know, the little flip things for the pictures. So they were real easy to chalk, nice flat surface, didn't have to worry about the edge or the outline of the frame. And I chalked them. So I'm going to take them out because yes, I am going to use this beautiful gold gilding wax on these beaded frames. So let me put these on the side and jump right in, right? I'm coming at you from the suburbs of Chicago. Let me know where you're viewing from. Just putting a little bit of wax on my brush. You can I can't talk. You can use a brush, you can use a paper towel, you could actually use your fingers if you want. And I just want to go over the frame and basically add a little bit of pizzazz to it. Really, really easy to do. And you could go as light-handed or as heavy-handed as you want with this. Really depends on the look that you're going for. Just going to grab a little bit more. It's kind of a, it's thicker than our paste, kind of a little bit of a waxy consistency. If you've used Rub and Buff, it's kind of like that. Pretty similar. But look at the difference. Look at the transformation here. And we have gilding wax in silver and in the gold. Oh my goodness, isn't this going to be beautiful for Christmas? Can you just imagine? Ooh, some ideas, right? Hey, want to say welcome to my Perks members. Welcome aboard. Any questions, just drop them, let me know. You're going to absolutely love it. The Perks program is the coolest thing. What do you think? Am I getting close enough? I've got a couple areas that I've missed and I want to go over a little bit heavier. I'm trying to decide if I want to do the edges or not. What do you think? What would you do? Would you do the edges or leave the edges, the sides, leave the sides white? I haven't quite decided. I've got a little bit that I missed here. This is basically a soft paint brush, but I want to make sure my inside's nice and gold. I want to have really good coverage there. I don't think I want all the beads fully covered. But I definitely want like the smooth border of the star covered. I've got a little bit that I missed there on the edge, caught it. I don't know, what do you think? A little bit heavier? I just think this adds so much glamour to it. These stars are just absolutely beautiful. And I think with or without the inserts, they can't be beat. And excuse my little dog, she's over here begging at my arm. I'm at the table, so she assumes that I'm eating. And of course, my little stinker wants to eat. I don't know. What do you think? Isn't that absolutely amazingly beautiful? Would you do the edges or would you leave them white? Let me know what you think. I'm going to do the large one. These stars are big. The small star is, I think, 7 inches. I was thinking 7.5. 7 1/4. Oh, maybe close to 7.5 actually. And then the bigger star is, I thought this was 11.5, but yep. You measure again. Yep. About a little under 11.5. But aren't they absolutely amazing? And this gilding wax, a little bit goes a long way. I just barely put any on the brush. And you could do a real light touch across the little beads if you want, or you could go heavier. Tell me what you think looks the best. I think start light and see what you like. You could always add on. Easier to add on than to take away, right? And this I'm just taking off of what was on the lid. Well, I guess I'm going to have to actually go after what's in the container. Here we go. Quick, easy. Ooh, I see a spot I missed here. Let me get that right now. Depending upon the lighting. Yeah, you've got to go a little bit darker there. I think I might do the edges. I'm in love with the gilding wax. It is so beautiful and so easy to use. We've got a really cool sale going on a lot of our surfaces. Check it out. You could look under specials or you could look under surfaces. And today is the last day of the month. So if you fell in love with our old school Club Couture image, you need to sign up for Club Couture before midnight tonight. Otherwise, you'll end up with June's Club Couture. And June's Club Couture is amazing. I'm not going to let the cat out of the bag just yet. You'll have to check in tomorrow for that. But believe me, it's awesome. It's beautiful. They've really been outdoing themselves. I'm just like so excited about Club. I love doing it. It's I look at it as like an hour of creative bliss every month. Comes straight to your doorstep. We pay the shipping. It's $21.99 or $22.99 in the U.S. I might have misspoke when I said it was $21.99, but I'm thinking it was 21. 26 or 27 in Canada. And you get an 8.5 by 11 inch transfer. The first month you get a mini squeegee. You get the appropriate paste colors packets, 3 packets of paste or ink, depending upon what the project is included with it. And the transfers are reusable. So basically, you could make it over and over again. And last month, we got a nice galvanized surface, a metal surface that we could use for it, which is really cool. And actually for June's, we also get another surface, which normally we get a surface or we get some kind of embellishment. And it's pretty cool that that May and June have surfaces, so that's lots of fun. Transfers are reusable, so you can make it with the surface or whatever that it comes with, and then you can use it over and over again. Look around your house for some found objects that you can use it on. Make it for yourself, make it for a friend, make it as a gift. Somebody comes over and sees it on your wall and admires it. Wow, you know what to give them as a gift. And I've actually seen May's, which is so cool. It's an old truck and it says old school on it. I I've seen maize done on some t-shirts, which is really, really cool. I think I'm going to do it on a t-shirt for my brother, actually. Okay, I've given this a little bit more than a lick and a promise here, but I'm going to go over it and do the sides, but I'm sure there's nothing as boring as watching me basically paint here. But that's pretty much all there is to it. You just apply it with a brush, or you could apply it with a paper towel. It depends what you want to use, what you have available. And you can go as light or as dark as you want with it. I'm going a little bit heavier on this one. And I'll finish these up, but I'm going to put the inserts in so you can see what they look like with the inserts. But honestly, I think these would be beautiful with no inserts for Christmas. Can you see these on a little grouping on your fireplace mantle, or on an entryway table, or on a bookcase? Aren't they absolutely beautiful? Wouldn't they make a very striking display for Christmas? I'm going to go over and darken this one up a little bit because I really do like it a little bit darker. And I'm going to put this insert in so you can see how it goes. Basically, so I could display this for Independence Day. And then I could take the inserts out and use the same stars again for Christmas. How cool is that, right? Yeah, I definitely want to darken this up. I like a lot of the gold on it. So I'm going to add some more to it. And these are nice, substantial stars. They're nice and heavy, nice and sturdy. Last time I couldn't get this in because I had one of the little flipper things in the way. There we go. I don't know. Do you like them better with the gold or without the gold? Let me know what your thoughts are on it. I obviously have to order more stars. I just fell in love with these. They're just so beautiful and so easy to work with. So because I like it so much, I like the gilding so much, I am actually going to do the sides. Like I said, a little bit goes a long way. So I'll do the sides, and then I think they'll be perfect for Christmas time too. I think they work both ways. I could use it for Independence Day, and then I could put them out without the inserts for Christmas. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that gold shine. Whoa. I hope everyone's had a good week. It's a strange week. It was a short week, but it was a crazy town busy week around here. If you're the kind of person who likes to save a little money on your craft supplies, check out our Perks program. I'd love to have you as one of my Perks members. Perks members get 30% off. So it's a really cool deal. Oh goodness, I'm going to let you go so I can continue finishing these off, but let me know what your thoughts are on the gilding wax. I'm in love with it. I have to order the silver now. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good weekend. I will see you soon.